Joe Beermaster here. We have a 2009 GMC Sierra. This also goes for many models of the Chevy Silverado and years of the GMC Sierra and other vehicles, where the door handle breaks off in here, and all the way up until a year ago you would have to buy the whole door panel, and now they sell a door handle replacement kit. I'm on the driver's side. We've already taken the door panel off, but to take the door panel off you basically have to take any screws out, look for all the screws, and then there's little push pins that go in here and you have to work it out with a screwdriver, and then you lift the panel off, and then on the back of the inner door panel good. Alright, so we took the clip out. This little
upside down.
This little pin comes out and it's held in by this clip, which we took out. We're going to put that back in. Alright, so everything's working now. Put the clip in, the pin, and then just slid it on. It was a little tough.
Slid itself right up. When I pushed on it, the pin popped right in.
Alright, let's test it. Let's shut the door. First test. And it works. Joe Beermaster, amazing. Door handle replacement kit.